Hello, you're welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'm going to be making a very simple sandwich recipe. So without wasting much of our time, let us dive into the real thing. I've got my bread here. You need this for your sandwich. This is salt and black pepper. This is ketchup. This is cucumber. I've already scraped the skin. This is green bell pepper. Carrots already washed. Tomatoes already washed. In fact, all the ingredients have been thoroughly washed. These are cabbage. You need cabbage for this recipe. Of course, mayonnaise. So let's begin by cutting all the veggies. So I'll be starting off with this. Cucumber is bigger than what I need, so I'll divide it into two halves. I'll be removing this. I don't want it soaking. So this is what we have left. This part is still manageable. I like it. Let me even chew this. So now I'll be mixing up all the vegetables that we saw at the beginning of the video. Green bell pepper, carrots, cabbage, tomatoes, cucumber, salt, black pepper, mayonnaise. So guys, these are the ingredients. This is the time to mix them properly. So as I've already prepared the veggies, go ahead to make. See, this my bread is actually, I don't need to shave off the edges because it's soft. I bought a very soft. Even I enjoy eating this part. So I'm not going to. But in case if you have these hard, if the edges are hard or burnt, so you need to shave it off for your sandwich to look good. How to shave? You just use your distance slice off. I'm just doing it to show you how you do it, but this one I'm removing. I'll see eat it too because it's part of the bread. It's so sweet. I remove it too, but I'm eating it. So the first thing we'll do is we'll cream the bread first. That is why I have this ketchup. The ketchup makes this sandwich, oh god, I don't want. In fact, it's better you try it yourself. But you can still use butter. You can still use butter. If you don't have ketchup, you can go with butter, or if you don't like ketchup, you can go with butter. But for me, this is my own secret. We'll still do it again on another slice of bread. So you've seen how simple it is. You have to press it down this way for easy cutting. So for this second one, I did the combination of the two. The base has ketchup, while the one I'm going to be using to cover it has some butter. Let's see what we have here. What do we have here? What do we have here? Check it now. I know my children will enjoy this. Our mayonnaise sandwich is ready. You see how easy it is to make this. Like, you don't even need any kitchen equipment, sandwich maker or whatever. Please try this in your homes, and I promise you will enjoy it. It's one of the easiest breakfasts that I can make for my family, and I know your family too will like it. So please like this video, comment, and also subscribe if you haven't done so for more videos that will be coming up. And don't forget to turn on the notification so you can be notified, because more and more are coming. Thank you for watching. Bye.